Assalamualaikum everyone. So I will discuss today with you central induction policy. In central induction policy criteria, you will get 40 marks for FCPS, 20 marks for your degree, BDS degree or MBBS degree, 5 marks for published research articles, at least 2 articles, not less than 2 articles. No marks will be awarded to you if you have 1 article. 20 marks for experience and distinctions. Maximum 3 distinctions are acceptable and 2 marks for each distinction. Experience less than 6 months will not be counted. 10 marks will be awarded for 1 year experience of PHU or RHC or rural dispensary, and 5 marks will be awarded for 1 year experience of THQ, non-teaching DHQ and urban dispensary. Marks will be awarded only to those who worked in Punjab. No marks will be awarded for experience of tertiary care hospital or private hospitals. 5 marks for graduation from public institute only for Punjab institutes. Federal institutes and institutes of other provinces are not counted. 2.5 marks for house job from public hospital only for Punjab institutes. Federal institutes again and institutes of other provinces are not counted. 2.5 marks for preferring your parent institute, institution of graduation from where MBBS BDS was done. This should be among Punjab government institute. Private institutes are not included in this. 5 marks for number of attempts in each professional during graduation or attempts made during PMDC exams. So after completing this criteria, after your congratulations letter of FCPS part 1, you need to complete this criteria, then you can apply in government hospitals. For private hospitals there is no criteria. There is a entrance test for each subject in which you want to apply, and after clearing that exam, that test, you can get induction if you will get a chance. But for government hospital there is a merit on which you will get inducted. After completing this criteria, you can apply on the following link below. Thank you so much. Subscribe, like and share my channel.